dear friends, today I'm going to make a cake called Cranberry under the snow. This dessert is simple to prepare, yet it looks incredibly festive, elegant, and beautiful. It's a perfect addition to your New Year's table and will be a highlight of your holiday celebrations. Start by beating the butter with powdered sugar until light and fluffy. Then add the egg yolks one at a time, beating well after each addition. Next, add sour cream or yogurt and vanilla sugar and mix until combined. In a separate bowl, combine the flour, cocoa powder, and baking powder. Gradually add this dry mixture to the wet ingredients, mixing until you get a smooth batter. Prepare your baking pan. Line it with parchment paper or grease it with butter and dust with flour. Spread the batter evenly in the pan. Now for the filling. Mix cranberries with sugar and cornstarch. Spread this mixture over the batter. Bake the base with the filling in a preheated oven for about 35 to 40 minutes. I'll include the baking temperature in the video description below. Let the cake cool until it's warm to the touch, around 30 to 40 degrees Celsius, 86 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. While it's cooling, prepare the meringue. Beat egg whites with sugar until stiff peaks form. Spread the meringue evenly over the partially baked cake. Return the cake to the oven for 5 to 7 minutes on grill mode, or place it on the top rack of your oven until the meringue is lightly golden. If desired, dust with powdered sugar for decoration. Allow the cake to cool completely before slicing so that the meringue sets properly. Enjoy your dessert and have a wonderful day.